In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your DocuSign account. Perhaps you've decided it's time to move on to a different service, or maybe you're simply looking to manage your subscriptions differently. Whatever your reason, I'm here to guide you through this process step by step. First things first, let's start by logging into your DocuSign account. Head over to the DocuSign website and enter your login credentials. If you've forgotten your password or encounter any issues, you'll find options to retrieve or reset your password right on the login page. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the DocuSign homepage. From here, navigate to the Admin section. It's often represented by a gear icon or located in your profile menu, so keep an eye out for that. Now, once you're in the Admin section, you should see a variety of options. What you're looking for are plan and billing settings. This section is typically where you manage all aspects related to your subscription and billing preferences. Once you've located this section, go ahead and click on it. Next, you need to find the appropriate option to delete or cancel your account. In the Plan and Billing section, keep an eye out for options such as Cancel Subscription, Close Account, or Downgrade to Free Account. Each of these options leads to a different result, so make sure you're selecting the right one for your intended purpose. In this case, you'll want the option that allows you to completely close your account. Once you select the option to close your account, the system will prompt you to confirm this action. It's important to note that this step is crucial. You'll be asked to confirm because closing your account will permanently delete it, along with all associated data. Think of this step as a final checkpoint to ensure this is indeed what you want to do. If you have important documents or information stored in your account, now would be a good time to back those up before proceeding. After confirming your decision to close the account, the process to permanently delete it will be initiated by DocuSign. It's customary for online services like DocuSign to ensure that such irreversible actions are intentional. This is designed to protect users' data and to make sure that no accidental deletions occur. And there you have it. With these simple steps, you've successfully learned how to delete your DocuSign account. Remember, if you find yourself needing to use DocuSign services again in the future, you can always create a new account. Thanks for joining me today, and feel free to watch more of our how-to videos for other tech tips and tricks.